Yes, Massive Crew back once again with another video, and I'm in the cave and basically trying to sort out my streaming PC. It's Friday night, fancy doing a little stream, but my Windows 10 PC has done some crazy update, and as you can see it's stuck in some sort of loop. I've replaced the hard drive and I'm troubleshooting, and I'm getting to exactly the same place where it boots up and then it gets stuck on this screen. And then it stops working. So I've changed the hard drive now. This is a new hard drive, so it's not the hard drive. So I think maybe it's the graphics card. Now this is starting to weird me out, guys, because it's not a brand new PC, but I bought it kind of like refurbished from an eBay seller. And one thing I did notice about the PC when I first bought it is that the hard drive was making a lot of sort of crackling noises, like that kind of noise, yeah, when it was loading stuff. And usually that indicates to me old style hard drive, not the latest you know, SSHD. So I did intend on putting like a faster hard drive in there, like a SSD one on there. I've actually got an SSHD 2 terabyte one at the moment, and as you can see as I'm talking to you, look, it's still stuck on this Windows screen. That's neither here nor there. So I'm just wondering if there's something plugged into the PC, but I've actually unplugged everything. I've tried that, and this is kind of like one of the annoying things about computers in general. And you know, this is why I do actually like my Mac, because my Mac doesn't always give me this kind of aggro. Give me an idea. I have got a Mac at my print shop I could probably use and bring here for my live streaming. I might go back to that because I finally got that working. But it's so odd, man, these Windows PCs. So I'm going to try changing the graphics card on this, and hopefully that will solve the problem. If not, I'm going to have to figure something out, see what I can do. I thought about changing the power supply. Maybe the power supply is a bit weak on it. I tried to use another graphics card that I had lying about, but it didn't actually have the correct connection on it. So it's because of the power supply doesn't have one of those, I don't know what they're called, they're some sort of power little 3-block Lego looking connector for a graphics card. Comment down below if you know what that is. But I'm gonna probably have to go out tomorrow and find a new power supply and install that and see if this works. It's got to be something causing this issue. I've unplugged anything. If you guys have any comments or ideas for me to, you know, put down below in the comments, and I'll take a look. In the meantime, I'm going to get my Akai PC up and running, and I hopefully would have to use that because I was using that before for live streams as well. So maybe I'll use that as a backup. So guys, that's it for now. Take care, God bless, peace.